So, guys, in object, okay. So we are discussing about the object. So, guys, we are discussing about the object, okay. So, in earlier we know that a variable which is hold a particular value, okay. But what is the object and what about the object? What about the JavaScript object? Okay. So we'll discuss about the JavaScript object in that, okay. So this is the car, okay. This is the car. This entire is the car, okay. In this car, okay, consider this is a object, okay. This car is a object. Now this car object having different parameters, okay. This car uh, object treat as an object having different parameters. What are the parameters? What are the parameters you can store? Say, consider if I say car, if I say car here, if I say variable car, okay, and I say Maruti car, okay, I say Maruti car, okay, and it having red color, okay, Maruti car red. So I just store the one parameter which is Maruti car with the red color, okay, and I just say alert, alert, or you can set the value in your, okay, here car, okay. So here which the car, it will store the, this is the car which store the value, okay. It just store the single value which is called as Maruti car red, which is just store the single value Maruti car red. I just refresh and I will open it, this page. So where I have stored this page, I have page here. Just a moment. There is some background noise. Okay. So here, as you can see, alert. I say alert. Okay. Now I will go on the page with my page here and open with the Chrome. Okay. Now it's saying that Maruti car with a red. Okay. So it's saying that Maruti car red means I just managed to store the value, the single value, the Maruti car red. But this is the my car. It having different properties. It having property like a red. Okay. It having the property, okay. It having different properties like red color, okay, is one property. It having Hyundai car, okay. It's having alloy wheel. It, what are the different things? Yeah, nice glass, okay. Glass is a nice glass. Then what are the more things in this car? Okay. uh, I think there is a rooftop is there, okay. Then what are the new these lights are LED lights are there. So as I understand, there are different properties are there, okay. And so, but if I say this car store the value in one variable, then I manage to store the only one name, only red car. But I want to manage the car with a different parameters, which is the information with a different parameter. So how I can store that information? For that purpose, we use the object. So object, what object is doing? Object which it will hold the different properties of your car, okay. So how we can do the object and how we can maintain the properties in a object, okay. So we'll see one by one. We'll see how we can store the. Now I just change here. I go here where say motor. Now where, and I'm treating this motor as object. So how we can write object? Okay, we need, while writing the object, we need to take it in a curly braces. We need to take it in a curly braces. Then here I'll say uh, type, car type. So this, or color. Okay, just a, for more simple, I'll say color, color. And what is the color of my car? I'll say a red color, okay. One information is stored. What other information? As an alloy wheel, okay. I'll say wheel. I say alloy wheel, okay. Alloy, alloy, okay. Wheel type is alloy. What other information I can say? Light LED, okay. Light, So LED, I will put in a bracket light LED. Okay. So what I'm doing here, as you can see, in a one variable, I am manage the three different variables. As you can see, or three different properties here. Okay. In a one variable, I can manage to display the three different values here. Okay, so which is called as name value pair. What I'm calling it as name value pair. Name and value. Name and value. Okay, so which is called as name value pair. As you can see here, this is a name and it's a value. This is a name and it's a value for of that name. Okay, so like this way, using the object we can store the additional information, but in a variable, I just store the only one information about my car name, and this is a Maruti car and red color. But here I store one, two, three parameters at a time in a single object. Okay, single variable. Okay. Now, now how I have to I use the curly braces here. In curly braces, there is a name value pair is there. This is called as name, and this is a value. Name value pair is there, and those are the with a comma separated. Okay, which is called as name value pair separated by comma. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I will write in a more simplified way so that you will understand. Okay, now I just delete this and I say I write this like this way. I enter it and I enter like this. Okay, so like this. Now I enter my object. Okay, like this, and here I need to say okay. Like this way I have entered. Now you want the information. Now this is my car information. Now what I do, I will add one paragraph tag to display the information on the page. Okay, so I say paragraph obj. No, it will confuse you. I'll say para. Okay, so I'll take the para element here. Sorry, take the para element here, script color, and here wire motor. Okay, now I want to display some information here. Then I say document dot get element by id, and here uh, dot inner html. Sorry, why it's not displaying inner html. Sorry, id is missing. I just put the id para dot and inner html. Now we will set it. Now here I know the car, so what I'm doing, I'll say here uh, my car color, my car color. Now here I'm saying my car color, and this is a string. Okay, now I need to say it's in quote. My car color, I say is and plus sign is there. Now see, now I want to access my car. Okay, now car is earlier, this is a single variable, but this is the object. I say my car color is, say, motor. See, you can see motor and what parameters are there. You can quickly compiler will IntelliSense will quickly give all the details about the motor. Dot what you want, color. Okay, and I have store color here. Okay, I have store while declaring my object. I have put all the information. My color, car color is my color, car color is, and here one more thing I'll say car and fill. Okay, fill are okay. Now here I just add plus. Again I want to show you, mention that the car color with a fill. Here fill property is there. Sorry, color. Now you can see here, you can see color light, and I say fill. I have captured my car color is a motor car red, and wheels are alloy. Okay, I just put the information here. and I just go and check the output here. Where is the output window? Here is the output window. Okay, my car color you can see here. Okay, you can see here my car color is a red and wheels are alloy. Okay, now I just put the spacing here. Sorry. Okay, now I refresh it. See, my car color is red and wheels are alloy. So main intention to tell you that the object which is store the more information compared to single variable. Okay, as you know that in this object I have stored three more parameters, three more properties. Okay, so these three things, okay, keep in mind, these three things are called as properties. These three things are called as properties. Okay, these three things are called as properties. Okay, properties, keep in mind. Okay, so these three things are called properties, and these are the value of those properties. Okay, so the object which is stored the value in key value pair. Key means the properties and their values. Okay, so like this way we can use the object. Okay, like this way we can use the object to store the additional information of the object. Okay, I hope you understand. Now 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 here consider now here you need to give pass some method also. Okay, you want to call method. Okay, you want to call method also. Here in object we just set the properties, as well as we can write the function in an object. So how we can write the function in an object? So you say these are the properties, but I want one function which will give me all the details. My car color is a red and with a light something something, but you want to refer all this parameter, you want to refer this all this parameter in one function. Okay, see, my expectation is there is one function which will give you all the details, all the information in a single line. Just here what I'm doing. Here I'm saying in my car color is like this. Okay, but here if every time I need to call, I need to write all these details. But here I write one function here. So the function which is the I say details, car details. Okay, so I have added additional property here, car details. What property name is car details, and I say function. Yeah, normal function. As usual you write the function, and you say here, you know the return. In a function returns means you return the information, as I have said. Now I'm in a object, I'm in a this object, I'm this motor object. I will say now what information I want to return. Here I want to return one string here. Okay, I want to return this string. Consider I want to return this kind of thing, string with the detailed information. My color, car color is just a minute, I just do comma here. Okay, my car color is red and wheels are all right. Again I put one more information, and car light is, and I add my variable here. Okay, now car light motor dot, and I put the light here. Okay, see, now here I have added one more function, but function sets one property, car details. Okay, I don't want, in spite of writing entire thing, I already declared it in one function. So here I'm do, I will say motor dot motor dot details, car details. Okay, I know this is a function, that's why curly round bracket. Okay, or braces here, we add the braces. Car details means what happened, it will call it this function. But in this what information is used? Motor color, it goes here, it will go here, and it will go here. Okay, so I will get the consolidated information and I set that information to my paragraph with the id para. Okay, so now save this. Okay, I go on my output window. My output window. See, my car color is red and wheels are all white. That's it. Okay, but we are not getting correct information because I have not saved. Now I have saved. Refresh. See out. My car color is red and wheels are alloy. Car light is LED. Okay, so we are getting red, alloy, and LED information. I have written one function within an object, and I call the say the property is the car property, and I call those details. Okay, so like this way, using the object, we can store the variable as well as function. We can store, or we can hold, or we can maintain the key value pair and also function in a object. Okay, you understand? I hope you understand the more on the object, what is the javascript object and how we can get the information and what is how it's different than. One more thing I would like to show you. I remove this. We have not checked the type of. Okay, so I'll say here type of, so you understand type of vector. Okay, I have saved and refresh it here. Nothing is there, means I not required. These brackets are not required. Save. Why? Oh, sorry. One, I just sorry. I need to write in inner HTML. What I do here, I take it down, and here I say motor is object having, check the type of operator type. Okay, and I'll write here type of, what is that motor? Save this. Now we'll go here, output window. Let me check type of motor. Motor is object and type of motor. Some issue is there. Press F12. Always keep in mind that there is an issue. Press F12. Car is not okay. I think why? Oh, alert. There is one alert. Take remove this alert. Not required. Okay, it's there now. So always keep in mind that whenever you face the error, console is your guru. Console is your it will give you the all the information. What exactly you should now? What information? A red, alloy, LED, and motor is the object having type object. Means you understand the the motor is the object here. Here you can see this. Okay, here you understand this motor is a object. Okay, type object. Okay, so like this way we explore means what is the object. See, this red means all the information we consolidated at one place through the function. Okay, object, if variable is there, you need to maintain 1 2 3 4 5 6 variables. Okay, again we need to write the separate function, you need to pass the parameter. But using the object here, you can directly refer like this way and use the object in the function as well. So this is about the object, this is about the JavaScript object. Okay, or here in spite of saying motor, you can say this also. You can say this. In spite of saying motor, you can say this. Okay, as earlier I have told you that this means it will treat this motor, this means it will treat this motor, this means this will treat this motor. Okay, keep in mind whenever you see this, wherever it declare, it will treat that as a this. Okay, again I will go back and show you the output how it will display. Okay, correct output is there. So like this way we have created the object. Okay, and you refer the object and you understand the difference between the normal variables and